How to crossplay GTA 5 online PC and PS5. In this video, you will learn which platforms can play together, why the PC version splits in March 2025 created new compatibility issues, and how character migration works, and what the future holds for cross-platform play in this 13-year-old game. So the quick answer is no. GTA 5 and GTA Online have zero crossplay between PlayStation, Xbox, and PC. The March 2025 PC update split the PC player base into two incompatible versions. Console generations are also isolated. You can only play with friends on the exact same platform and version. So the GTA 5 crossplay compatibility matrix. Who can play together? PS5 users can only play with PS5 users, PS4 users can only play with PS4 users, Xbox Series users can only play with Xbox Series user, Xbox One users can only play with Xbox One users, and PC players can only play with PC players. So on March 4, 2025, Rockstar released the enhanced update for PC. This brought ray tracing, direct storage, and new content to match the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X versions, but it also permanently divided the PC player base into two incompatible groups. So PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X run the enhanced version of GTA 5 at 60 FPS with improved graphics. PlayStation 4 and Xbox One run the original version at 30 FPS. These versions use different server pools and cannot connect natively. For PlayStation cross-gen, PS4 and PS5 is not possible natively. PS5 players must download and install the PS4 version of GTA 5 separately. This forces them to play at 30 FPS and 1080p to join PS4 friends. If you migrated your character to PS5, that progress stays separate. Playing on PS4 version shows your old PS4 progress, not your current PS5 progress. Now, as for the Xbox cross-gen, the same issues as PlayStation X or S must install the Xbox One version to play with the last gen friends. So, Microsoft's smart delivery system automatically gives you the best version for your console, but GTA 5 is solid as separate products. Now, as for PC storefront compatibility, the good news is Steam, Epic Game Store, and Rockstar Launcher players can all play together if running the same versions. Once you update to enhance, you cannot roll back the legacy. So verify your entire friend group updated before you go. And that is how to crossplay GTA 5 online, PC, and PS5.